Welcome to 107 Yeonas Circle in Southeast Vienna, Virginia. My name is George Murad with Red Door Metro, and I'm here to give you a personal tour. Welcome. Contemporary yet timeless, with hints of the craftsman architectural style, but paired with contemporary lighting and fixtures. 107 Yeonas Circle is spectacular. This brand new home, built by luxury home builder CDB Design Build, boasts 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, 2 powder rooms, and 6,486 square feet. CDB Design and Build spared no expense to ensure that the concept of living well is felt boldly by its new owner. View the outside from within your living room. Regardless of warm or cold weather, your view to the wooded lot through the impressive windows brings a serenity richly deserved. Open to the kitchen, you won't miss a beat. The gas fireplace and custom built-ins are the centerpiece of this room. A gourmet kitchen to serve the chef or home cook, well appointed with JennAir appliances that include pro-style 6-burner gas range with side-by-side ovens, additional electric wall oven, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. 42-inch dovetailed soft-close Vita Cabinetry rounds out this beautiful kitchen. Space and serenity are the key words for the primary suite. Picture windows and a private balcony look out to the wooded lot. Outfitted with dual walk-in custom closets, tray ceiling, and recessed lighting, you couldn't ask for more in your place for rest and relaxation. Magazine-worthy, this primary bathroom goes all out. 2 expansive vanities are on opposite sides of one another, each with their own water closet, the centerpiece being the standalone soaking tub and rain shower big enough for 2. If you're looking for a spa experience at home, look no further. Lower level living is done to perfection at 107 Yeonas Circle. Equipped with a media room fit for the coveted home theater, spacious recreation room outfitted with a wet bar, built-ins, bar seating, powder room, and a bedroom with an in-suite bathroom. This level leaves nothing to be desired. Thank you for going along with us on this tour of CDB Design Build's newest masterpiece in Vienna, Virginia. Now, if you want more information on this property or CDB Design Build's new construction projects throughout the area, contact us today. And as always, thank you for allowing us to be your doorway to better living.